Hi guys! Welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. So today, gagawin naman natin ang pinaka-requested recipe na nakita nyo sa aking Facebook or Instagram at ito ay ang Spanish bread. So, ang recipe na to ay nakita ko sa pinoycookingrecipes.com. Papakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano ko siya ginagawa here at home. And the ingredients are 3 cups of bread flour, half cup of melted butter, 3/4 cup of evaporated milk. You can also use whole milk. Half cup of all-purpose flour and more, if needed. Half cup of white sugar. 1 teaspoon of salt. 3 egg yolks. About 2 1/4 teaspoon of dry active yeast. And we also have half cup of lukewarm water para i-proof natin yung ating yeast. Let's get started! Ang una nating gagawin is i-dissolve natin ang ating yeast sa lukewarm water. We need 2 1/4 teaspoon of dry active yeast. Lalagyan din natin siya ng konting sugar. Tapos, ihahalo lang natin siya hanggang ma-dissolve ang ating yeast at ang ating sugar. Pagkatapos nating haluin, hintayin lang natin about 10 minutes para mag-bubble na yung ating yeast. So for this recipe, gagamit tayo ng stand mixer with a dough hook para ined yung ating dough instead na mamasahin natin yung dough kasi medyo mahirap siya at medyo matagal yung process. Pagsamahin na natin ang ating bread flour, salt, and sugar. So let's mix the liquid ingredients. So we have the evap. Isama na natin ang ating egg yolk. And then haluin lang natin. Isama na rin natin ang ating melted butter. Haluin lang natin. At ito na rin ang ating yeast. Isama na rin natin siya dito. Halo lang natin. And then, isama na natin siya dito. And then, ilalagay lang natin yung speed natin sa number 2. And then, hayaan lang natin na ihalo yung mixture. Okay. I think okay na yung ating dough. Hindi na natin siyang tanggalin. Yan. So, bibilugin lang natin siya. And then, kukuha lang tayo ng greased pan. Yan. Grease lang natin yung ating bowl. kunin na natin yung ating dough. And ilagay lang natin siya dito. Then tatakpan lang natin siya ng plastic wrap. And intayin natin siyang umalsa until double the size. We have to make sure na iiwan natin siya sa warm place para umalsa agad ang ating dough. So, intayin natin siyang umalsa about 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours. Okay? And then, babalikan natin siya. Okay, so sa recipe, original recipe, ang ginamit niyang yeast is rapid rice yeast. So, since we don't have that, ang ginamit ko is active dry yeast. So, para medyo mapabilis ang pag-alsa ng ating dough, pwede niyong i-preheat ang ating oven to 200 degrees for a few minutes. Tapos, palalamigin lang natin siya ng kaunti. Tapos, pwede nating ilagay yung ating dough mixture sa loob ng oven para mainit-init yung atmosphere ng ating dough. Okay, so habang nag-iintay tayo na mag-rise ang ating dough, gagawin natin yung ating filling. So, we need about 1/3 cup of butter or more, depende kung gaano karami ang filling na gagawin ninyo. So, we're gonna put our brown sugar. By the way, this is softened butter, room temperature butter. So, we added our brown sugar. Then, we'll add our breadcrumbs. And then, mag-a-add din tayo ng vanilla extract. Now, ginawa kong mas malasa yung ating filling. Dinagdagan ko siya ng whipping cream. About 1 to 2 tablespoons of whipping cream. Tapos, ihahalo lang natin siya hanggang sa makuha nyo yung consistency na gusto ninyo. You can add more depending on gaano karami yung gusto nyong ipalaman sa ating Spanish bread. So, ito na yung ating finished product para sa ating filling. So, ito na yung gusto kong consistency bago ko siya i-spread sa ating tinapay. So, pwede nyo siyang dagdagan kung gusto nyo pa ng mas maraming filling. And of course, dapat tikman nyo siya para okay, kung malaman kung okay na yung tamis para sa inyo. Okay, so after 1 hour and a half, ito na yung ating dough. Ayan na siya. Malaki na siya, nag-double na siya ng size, humongous na siya. So, tanggalin lang natin. And then, i-punch lang natin yung ating dough like this. Yan, para mawala yung air. And then, we will lightly flour our surface na gagamitin. Kasi yung ating dough medyo sticky. So, pati kamay natin. So, ita-transfer lang natin siya sa ating working surface. And then, mamasa-masahin ng konti. And then, ikakat natin siya sa gitna. Yan. Tabi lang natin yung isa. And then, iro-roll lang natin siya to form a log. Yan. Tapos, ikakat lang natin siya in equal parts. Yan, and then itatabi lang natin muna yung mga ibang dough sa side. So, ang next step ay i-roll na natin ang ating dough. Yan, pahaba, ganyan. Hanggang ma-flatten lang siya. And then, kuhanin na natin ang ating filling. Spread natin siya. Like that. Huwag nating masyadong punain ng filling para hindi lumabas sa ating bread yung filling. Okay, once na matapos ito, pwede na nating i-roll ang ating dough. Yan. Kung okay na sa inyo, pwede na nating i-roll naman siya sa ating breadcrumbs. Hanggang makot ang ating dough. Tapos, itatabi natin siya on the side. Okay guys, so ito na yung nagawa natin, na ni-roll natin. At we need to proof this again for about half an hour. Tatakpan natin siya ng plastic wrap. Tapos, we'll wait for another half an hour. And then, pwede na natin siyang i-bake. Okay guys, so after half an hour, ito na yung ating bread and ready na siya for baking. Okay, so ilalagay na natin siya sa oven. Na-preheat ko na yung oven at 325 degrees. And then, pasok lang natin. And then, we'll bake this for 20 to 25 minutes. And then, it will be ready soon. Okay, guys, ready na ang ating Spanish bread. Okay. Let's take it out of the oven. Here we go. Okay guys, so ito na ang ating finished product. Yan natin, transfer ko na siya sa ating cooling wire rack. Tapos, intayin lang natin ng konti bago tayo tumikim kasi super init siya.
Hi guys!
Okay, so we're gonna try our bread. Still a little bit hot. Ayan. Wow! Look at that! So nice and soft.
Yes!
So, try natin. Let's try it.
Let's try it.
Very good. Is it good?
Yeah.
Yes, good. So, hope you guys try this Spanish bread recipe at home. And let me know what you guys think. Hope you guys enjoyed our video today. If you like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes. Bye!